In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications for your Google Calendar events. This is a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in keeping you on track, ensuring that you never miss those important appointments, meetings, or self-set reminders. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's launch Google Calendar. You can do this through the official website or by using the mobile app. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. This digital space is where all of your scheduled events will be neatly organized, and it's here that you'll add notifications to remind you of those key moments ahead of time. Now take a look at your calendar and find the specific event that you'd like to modify. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the event to open its details. You'll notice an icon resembling a pencil which indicates the Edit option. Clicking this icon will take you into the editing mode for that specific event, allowing you to make all necessary changes. In the editing window, keep an eye out for an option labeled Add Notification. Once you click on it, you'll be able to set up reminders in advance of the event. This step is crucial because it's through these notifications that you can stay on top of your schedule and never miss out on any important activities. Several notification options will be available for you. You can opt to receive a pop-up alert, useful for those who are frequently at their computer, or choose an email reminder, which can be handy for those who rely on email for tracking tasks. Moreover, you'll have the flexibility to decide how far in advance you'd like to be reminded. Options range from a few minutes to days or even weeks before the event. Selecting the right timing is essential for ensuring that the notification is as helpful as possible for your personal planning. After choosing your preferred method and timing for the reminder, take a moment to review the settings. Make sure everything aligns with your needs so that these alerts are as effective as possible. Once you're satisfied and all looks good, hit Save to apply these changes. Doing this ensures that your reminders are active, ready, and set to keep you on top of your schedule. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a notification to a Google Calendar event, helping you stay organized and stress-free. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for a wealth of productivity tips and helpful guides.